What's up guys, it's Air from B-Side. We just finished installing our plug-and-play CarPlay Android Auto retrofit to this 2016 and 2019 Lexus GS with factory navigation and the larger screen. And I want to go ahead and demonstrate to you our new upgraded CarPlay Android Auto system, show you how it works, how to navigate through all the controls and so forth. So let me go ahead and get started. So here it is, it's the factory screen. All your factory controls work as normal. The only difference now is we have CarPlay and Android Auto installed in this vehicle. Before we get started, make sure your phone is connected to the car's Bluetooth. So let me go back to the screen. I'll go to menu, go to setup, and we are going to add a phone. So go to Bluetooth, and then go to add. Then we'll go to your phone, go to settings, and we are going to Bluetooth. Go all the way down, and let's wait until your car shows up. Most likely your phone's already going to be connected to car's Bluetooth. If that's the case, you could just skip this step because your phone's already going to be connected. All right, so Lexus GS connected. It's connected. I see on the screen right here. All right, and next step, we are going to make sure our media is in Bluetooth audio. All right, so Bluetooth audio, that is good. Okay, before on our prior kits, we want it to be in auxiliary, but now we want to be in Bluetooth audio. So once we're in Bluetooth audio, make sure your volume is not muted. So I'm gonna raise my volume. All right, and then once your phone is connected to the car's Bluetooth and we have Bluetooth on our media source, you go ahead and press and hold the map button, which will switch over the screen to this 3 icon screen. Okay, this is the screen you see when nothing is connected. So we're gonna do our first initial connection. We're gonna go back to your phone and we're gonna go to General. We're gonna go to CarPlay, and then we're gonna wait for it to show up on the screen. Here it is, MV17W-931C. All right. This 4-letter and number combination is gonna be different on your system, of course. But once you do it, go ahead and connect it and accept all the prompts, and then the CarPlay system will show up. So when you're connecting your iPhone to the wireless CarPlay system, make sure to only use this menu item under Settings, General, and CarPlay. Never go to the Bluetooth and try to connect directly here, or never go to Wi-Fi and directly connect it. So if I go to Bluetooth here, it shows that it's not connected. And if you go to Wi-Fi here, it shows that it's not connected, but you do see the MV17W. Go ahead and ignore it from these two devices and only connect from this menu item here, or else the required order of operation that's needed to successfully connect your phone to the CarPlay wirelessly will get interrupted and it might not make the successful connection. So make sure to only use this menu item here. So don't forget. All right, so we are here in our CarPlay. So let me go ahead and show you how it works. So we're gonna be using this mouse controller here, and then as you can see, you could push down on the map and then you can move it around. The back button works as a back button, and menu item works as Siri. So before I do Siri, let's go ahead and turn on some music. Okay, so you could go ahead and play music like so, and while you're playing music, you could use track up, track down. Okay, you can also track up, track down here, and you can also use the steering wheel control, track up and track down. And the volume controls continue to work. You just don't see the change on the screen. And your pickup and the hang up button also works. I'll show you that in a moment. And then if you want to summon Siri, you just press and hold the menu. So, and if the volume is too low on the Siri, so how you adjust it, you go to your phone and press and hold the button here. It'll summon Siri, and then just raise the volume. All right.
I can't help with that.
So let me show you. This is the music volume. What's the weather?
It's currently
clear. And there it is. And now I could hear Siri. Okay, next let me go ahead and show you how the phone call works. I'm gonna go ahead and call myself with my other phone. Okay, I'm calling myself. You could go ahead and pick up using this pickup button. And then the phone call is actually using the car's Bluetooth. So how we can see, if you go to your phone, you can select here and it shows you where your phone is. It's using like Lexus GS system for the phone call, which is what we want. Okay, and when you're done with your conversation, you want to hang up, you just go ahead and press the hang up button here. Okay, and then if you want to move over to the other screen, you just go ahead and press down on the screen, and then you could just swipe. like so. That is the easiest way, or you can press these little buttons here, but it's a little bit more tricky. All right, now that I showed you how the CarPlay system works, let me go ahead and disconnect my iPhone and we're gonna connect our Android system. So the easiest way is just go to your settings and just turn off both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Okay, and then we're gonna go to our new phone. Okay, our new phone here, we're not gonna connect to the car's Bluetooth. So the sound's actually gonna come out of the phone speakers until we connect to the car's Bluetooth. So for our Android Auto to connect, we're gonna go to our Bluetooth. Okay, and then we're gonna look for it down here, available devices. We're gonna go ahead and connect on the Bluetooth. Go ahead and pair, and we just wait. All right, so that is our Android Auto. Same thing, you could press down on the map and move around to control. All the controls will work. Track up down here, track up down in here will work as well. And if you wanna summon Google Assistant, just press and hold the map and you could give your commands. Okay, and then here's the split screen, and you could scroll up and down on the maps here, full screen maps. All right, so one other thing that I forgot to mention earlier is this is the USB from our system. You can also use wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto, but make sure your phone is connected to the car's Bluetooth. The sound will come out of the car's Bluetooth instead of from the phone speakers. If you do connect, make sure to change your media source to USB, which is going to be iPod right here. So that will be highlighted. It'll show up once you plug your phone in. So you go ahead and actually connect your phone to the car's USB, and you can actually hear all the turn-by-turn directions, Siri, music, and all that through the factory plug, through the iPod function as well. But most of you guys will probably just use the Bluetooth function for convenience, but just want to lay it out there. What's beneficial about plugging it into our system, even while you're using wireless CarPlay, is that it will charge faster than your factory USB plug. Our kit will charge at 2.1 amps, whereas your factory will connect at 1.5 amps. Okay, so when you want to go in and out of the CarPlay or Android Auto screen, it's just going to be press and hold the map button, like so. All right, guys, well, this concludes our demonstration video of our CarPlay Android Auto retrofit for this 2016-2021 Lexus GS. If you have any questions, drop a line below, or you can email us at info@bsonicusa.com. And if you haven't yet, help us by liking our video and subscribing for more awesome content in the future. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.